how you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at another project of ours in Southern California. Today is the last day we're going to be here. We have some small plantings to go and finish up. But if you look behind me, you have the newly installed landscape area. So a lot of California friendlies. Very, very low watering requirement once they're established. And there's a ground cover. It's that green ground cover right there. It got installed today. That's called Carapia. Once it's established, you can water it once a month and it stays green. So if you notice, it's kind of sprinkled throughout the landscape here. So that's really going to take over and help this place not only to look good, but to also thrive. That plant is really going to thrive with the low amount of water that's coming through. If you look at my feet here, we do have a network of pipes. That darker brown 3/4 inch pipe, that's a Rainbird QF header. And you can see it's tapped off there for our drip irrigation in different locations there. It's tapped off once over there, and again right here. So the purpose of that, we'll use that when we're dealing with larger flows. We have about 700 and maybe 30, 80 linear feet of drip tubing located behind me in this particular zone here. So we size the proper valve and pressure regulator over there, as well as it's important to go ahead and divide up those lines so we have enough water flow so our pressure compensating emitters can do their job and put out the same amount of water at the first one as the 220th one down the line. So all this is going to get covered with the mini bark, the walk-on mulch that we have here. The boys are installing. But if you want to just take a quick gander, you can see a network of pipes going through here. And again, it all gets covered with the mulch. It's going to help keep moisture in the soil, slow down weed retention. And it's always organically composting and helping feeding the soil to create that mycorrhizae within the soil profile. All right, and it is a pollinator garden. We do have butterflies coming in, peeking around. We've been noticing them as the day has gone, or the week has progressed. Keep getting more and more coming by every day. So the homeowners are going to love it. It's what they wanted. They want to see the birds, butterflies, and bees. And it's just another garden Enviroscape LA is making happen. So when you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.